Jackie, and guess what we are having today? We are having a chapati roll that is going to consist beef and some vegetables. Just as you can see, I can't wait to show you my cooking skills. Yeah, and you can try this at home. It is very easy and very quick. Let us get into the video and enjoy our meal. Yeah. So guys, today we are having a chapatti beef veg roll. Yeah, so that is what we are gonna use today. So those are my spices. We have some onions. Those are the leaf onions, and those are the normal onions we usually use. So that's our beef. You can either cut it in small pieces. It's actually ready. It's already ready. It's very ready. I had already cooked it. Or you can do minced meat, but this is what I'm gonna use. Yeah. Then we have some tomatoes, green pepper, and hotmill. We have garlic and ginger, and we have this is chili. This is chili and some tomato paste. Yeah. And our chapatis. Yeah. So that is what we are gonna use for our chapatti beef veg roll.
Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories. It's fine, racing on these broken dreams. bound only by frozen memories. It's time, racing on these broken dreams tonight.
So guys, I have my coffee and my Chapatti Beef Veg Roll. Let's see how it tastes. You see? So cute. And trust me, I think it is very, very nice. And my coffee. I had to just hold it in my hand. I'm gonna have a bite. Yeah. You see? Okay, let's see. Guys, you should try this. It is really, really nice. Check. Second bite. Guys, you should try this at home. It is very easy and quick. If you can't make chapatis, buy one and prepare your roll. That bite. This is really nice. I should finish my food. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. See you next time.